Music-loving people around the world are continuously looking for new options for listening to music. To meet the demands of music enthusiasts, speakers manufacturers are launching new models of speakers regularly. Nowadays, Bluetooth speakers are popular because these speakers are easy to carry and deliver high-res music. There are many Bluetooth speaker brands in the market, and each brand offers unique features. The Harman Kardon is known for its high quality and durable Bluetooth speakers, and today we've chosen the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker for our viewers.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 is a lightweight, small and easily portable Bluetooth speaker. The round-shaped Onyx Studio 4 is suitable for personal use. You can take this speaker with you for hiking, cycling, skiing and outings with a small group of people. It's made with high-quality fabrics, plastics and rubber to ensure the durability of the product. The control buttons of the speaker's top edge will allow you to control music, volume and voice calls. It's got a built-in microphone which will let you experience high-quality voice calls with the help of noise cancellation function. The microphone allows you to connect with a voice assistant such as Siri, Cortana, Alexa and Google Voice Assistant. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 delivers high-resolution music as it perfectly captures the lows, mids and highs without a significant drop of signals. It produces crystal clear music, excellent bass and a clear voice. You will love the music. The speaker can connect two streaming devices simultaneously. You can play music from your mobile phone and tablets without the hassle of connecting and disconnecting devices. The speaker comes with a reasonably lasting battery compared to its size. It can play back music for 8 hours once the battery is fully charged. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 would let you connect 100 plus speakers to create a surrounding sound. It's time for us to look into the user reviews of this portable speaker and find out what customers are saying. The speaker has got 4.7 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 2,581 customer ratings. People like these portable speakers for their Bluetooth connectivity, sound quality and battery life. Here are some comments from customers. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "Voice and calling is amazing. Honestly, I keep this at my desk and take all my calls on it all day long. Music is through the roof. I don't know how they did it, but it sounds amazing." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4, this is one awesome product and a must-have for the true music lovers. Love the bass effects and the voice clarity. I'm so happy to own this." That's all we have on the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 4 wireless Bluetooth speaker for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.